There's the Galaxy S4 on the right and the Galaxy S3 on the left. The Galaxy S4 is actually, from the size, pretty much the same as the S3. They're basically the same length and width. It's supposed to be a bit thinner at 7.9 millimeters. It's 130 grams, so it's a bit lighter too. Except that the battery has actually grown up to a whole 2,600 milliampere hours. They're not saying anything about the processors yet officially, so it's either the quad-core Snapdragon or the new Exynos Octa 5, which is probably what I would be thinking it is, because otherwise they could just tell us it's the Snapdragon 4, right? Or Snapdragon 600. 4.99-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD resolution. It's a bit longer and a bit wider, as you'd expect since it's grown. There's 2 gigs of RAM in there, 16, 32, or 64 gigs of flash memory, plus a micro SD card slot. I can't actually show it to you right now because you can't open it without the thing starts beeping. Up here we have a 13 megapixel camera. On the Galaxy S3 it's only an 8 megapixel camera. They've moved the flash around and the speaker, so this is a Xenon flash, I think. And down here we have the speaker, which used to be upright next to the camera. Taking a look at the top and on the sides, everything's pretty much where it used to be, so there's a headphone out plus mics. They moved the power button a tiny bit, where it's actually only grown longer. On the bottom, micro USB port slot, as you'd expect, plus a tiny another mic. On the left side, there's the volume rocker that's actually moved up a bit, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hardware-wise, they don't look much of a difference, but what you can see is actually from the brushed metal look of the Samsung Galaxy S3, they've moved to like this patterns look on the S4 that has like, it's kind of weaved. So yeah, it feels pretty good, sturdy and everything. They have a metal frame running around the corners, so that's pretty sturdy, and it actually feels more it feels more solid than the